Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Cenat and Vybz Kartel met on the Grammy Awards red carpet. Cenat expressed his deep admiration for Vybz Kartel and said he must give Vybz Kartel his well-deserved flowers. Cenat said Vybz Kartel music teach him how to dance. Cenat also said Vybz Kartel looks great despite his years of being behind bars, and they must have to take a trip to Jamaica soon. Take a look.
Yo! I'm a general. Wow, boss! Mama, you know good, you know my youth. Respect. Bro, yo, no. You don't understand. Yo, bro, Vybz Kartel. Yeah. Let me sit here right in front of you and give you your flowers, bro. Welcome back home, bro. Welcome, bro. I know you're having an amazing time right now.
Of course, 13 years in prison, and I come out and I'm in America 6 months later.
Bro, do you know I literally learned to whine to your songs like this? And the backyard party whine up. Bro,
love that.
No cap, bro. I love Jamaica so much, bro.
I know that. You were there the other day.
Yes, bro. We have to go to Jamaica together soon.
Hell yeah.
Bro.
Where's your Asian friend?
Ray?
Yeah.
Ray right now, he want to go to the military.
Oh.
Yeah.
I know, bro.
Yes, bro. Bro, have a good night, though, bro.
Alright, so that was the video. I will continue to give you guys update as these updates emerge. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.